Hope you're having a great day. Just wanted to let you guys see a modification that I did to my military modular sleep system. Hope you enjoy what we've done. So let's check it out. Well, as you can see here, these are the components that I'm going to be putting together. This is my SOL emergency bivvy and olive drab color. This is my poncho liner and multicam. This is my military modular sleep system. What I don't have in it is the black extended cold weather liner. This is the patrol bag, as well as the Gore-Tex bivvy sack. And this is the modular Molly sleeping bag that all this is supposed to fit into. It's also sometimes labeled on the internet as the chemical suit bag. Can be used for whatever purposes, but I'm going to use it for my sleep system. So what I'm going to do is show you a little more closely of how this is all going to be fit together. And one of the things I forgot to mention as one of my components was the stuff sack that I have chosen to use for this. I have the Generation 1 military modular sleep system. The Generation 2 comes with two stuff sacks, a large and a small. This is the small. The large one is to fit all the components plus this stuff sack into the large bag. The medium, or the small, was developed so that soldiers in the field who use this system can cut down on weight and only take what they need for a particular mission. I like this one for my particular needs because it does have a cap, whereas the old Generation 1 was just a simple stuff sack. It did not have the cover for the end, as we'll see here. So this makes it a little more watertight, and then now I'm going to cinch this up on this stuff sack, cinch up all the straps, and then I'm going to put it in the modular woodland cover that I showed you earlier. So let's just finish this up, and then I'll show you what it all looks like together. Now that I have the stuff sack all cinched down, I'm going to put this in the woodland bag, and it goes in sideways. It doesn't go in top ways, as I'll show you here. Well, that's the modification that I did to my military modular sleep system. Hope you enjoyed it. We appreciate you coming to check out our channel. As always, like or subscribe if you like what you see here. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So we appreciate all that you do for us. Stay tuned. There's more videos coming throughout the summer. So until next time, I just want to leave you with this thought: to stay safe, stay prepared. Eventually, I want to see you out on the trail.